So shall we get down?
I'ma take my time I'm Sunshine and welcome to my channel. I really hope you enjoy yourself here today. Today's video is a pack with me for university. Cause you know why? I got my permit. I'm literally going back to Cape Town, back to Res, back to university. I'm so grateful. I'm so thankful. I got res, I got campus res, I got a single room this year. I'm happy.
So shall we get down?
But yeah, I just wanted to take you guys along this journey of me packing for university. And also right now, I currently have a class, my physics class. Right now, so I just want to quickly attend that and then we'll get to the packing, ironing, doing all the things because I'm going tomorrow, guys. Imagine. I can't wait. I can't wait. I'm so excited for school. I'm so excited. Like, okay, guys, let's get right into the video. So right now I'm about to separate my clothes into jeans, dresses, and t-shirts. That's what I'm about to do. And then I'm going to start ironing my clothes. So let me quickly do
all bad all day, but the night get that good till we act right. So tell me when we on a date, babe. I could keep that same energy. When you go low, I go low too. But you'd rather.
Ooh. Okay, so I'm done separating them, and then now I'm just gonna iron these clothes. And then we're gonna pack. So excited. Eee.
Deep into my bloodstream, just trying to make the most of it. Babe, I miss your body.
Okay guys, I just wanted to show you the progress right now. It's looking like this. That's my t-shirts, my dresses, all my night dresses, my gown there and my bucket hat, then my sweatpants, my jeans, and my dresses again. Okay guys, so I'm about to pack right now into the suitcase, and yeah, I'm a bit nervous because I haven't considered like my toiletries, so many things I haven't considered. I only considered clothes, so I'm nervous and we'll see how things go. We really will have to see how things go. Hopefully by the grace of God I'm able to pack everything that I can. But yeah, let's get to packing. done here, but I still have all of this. These clothes do not fit, but I'll make a plan. Yeah.
I would like to get to know if you could be the kind of girl that you took me down for. 'Cause when I look at you, I feel something tell me that you're the kind of guy that I should make a move on. And if I don't let you know, then I won't be. Told me I was enough. Too much, maybe then all you needed was a crutch, yeah, yeah.